Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Facebook that allows you to tag yourself and your friends in your profile photos. Tagging adds a personal touch to your images and makes them more engaging for your friends and followers. So, whether you're sharing memories from a recent event or just showcasing your new profile pic, knowing how to add tags effectively can enhance your social media experience. Let's get started with these easy steps to add tags to your Facebook profile photo. First, grab your Android device and open the Facebook app. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you've tapped your profile picture, it's time to dive a little deeper. Tap on your profile picture again to access the full view of it. You should see an option that says, See your profile picture. Tap that to open your image in full view. When your profile photo is open, you'll notice a tag icon at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and give that icon a tap. This will allow you to tag friends or even yourself in the photo. Finally, at the bottom of your screen, look for the option that says Tap to Tag. Tap this to select and tag the people you want in your photo. And that's it. You've successfully added tags to your Facebook profile picture. Remember, tagging connects your memories with loved ones and makes your profile more interactive. Don't forget to share this video with friends who might need a little help with Facebook. How to add tags to your Facebook profile photo. Updated.